To utilize keyframes in CapCut, follow these simple steps. First, open the CapCut application and create a new project. Import the assets you want to edit, such as videos, by dragging them into the timeline. To access the keyframe feature, select the video clip you want to edit. You'll notice various settings for editing, including video speed and animation adjustments. Look for the diamond icon next to these settings. This indicates the presence of keyframes. To add a keyframe, click on the keyframe icon labeled Add Keyframe. Once added, you can adjust the settings of your video at that specific point in the timeline. Changes made between keyframes will create animation effects. For example, adjusting the scale or position of the video will create smooth transitions between keyframes. You can add keyframes for different effects simultaneously. For instance, if you want to change the position and rotation of a video, add keyframes for each parameter and adjust accordingly. This allows for more dynamic and complex animations. To navigate between keyframes, use the arrows next to the keyframe indicator on the timeline. Clicking on these arrows will move you to the previous or next keyframe, facilitating easy navigation. To delete a keyframe, simply select it and press the backspace key on your keyboard. Keyframes can also be applied to text elements in your project. Add text to your timeline, then use the Add Keyframe button to animate its properties, such as position, size, and opacity. Remember that not all effects or settings support keyframes. While basic adjustments and masks can be animated with keyframes, some features like the Enhance tool may not have keyframe support. By mastering keyframes, you can create captivating animations and effects in your CapCut projects. Experiment with different settings and transitions to unleash your creativity. That's it for using keyframes in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.